Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you that how you can claim a stand on Please Donate on Roblox. So I'm going to show you on Android. So this will work for Android mobile phone, iPad or PC. So let's jump into the video. What you have to do first, you have to open up Roblox on your mobile phone or PC. Then you have to click on this three dot icon. You have to click on desktop site to make it on PC mode, and if you are already using an PC you don't have to do that. So after opening the Roblox, you have to sign in your account. Then you have to click on create. Okay. Then you will find a page like this. So after doing so, you can see this is your place. This, and you have to click on this three dot bar icon. So after clicking on this, what you have to do, you have to click on this three dot bar icon in the left right corner, left top corner. Then you will find a option called passes here. You have to click on this. So after doing so, you can see there are all my passes that I have already created. So I will show you that how you can create a new one. Then you have to click on a create pass. After that, you can click on change and upload a profile picture for your passes. Then you have to give it a name. I'm going to give it a name just like this one. Hi. And you have to give a description here that people will see after the donation. So after doing your thing, you have to click on create pass. So after doing so, you can see the pass is not already on activated or not on sale. So what you have to do to activate it, you have to click on the passes again. Then you have to scroll down and you have to click on this three bar icon again, and you have to click on sales. After doing so, you have to click on this option and turn it on, item for sale, and you have to put your value or put your amount here that you want people to pay. I'm going to do this like 5. Okay, then I will earn 3 and Roblox will take 2. After doing your thing, you have to click on save change here, just like this. Then you have to go back to your Roblox game again, just like this, Roblox. Okay, you can do it on PC or mobile like this. Then you have to click on please donate. You have to go open up the please donate game again. Then you have to click on play. So after doing so, you have to find a store that is not claimed already. You have to find a unclaimed store here to set up your store. You can see here is a store here. Sorry, you can see here is a store here that is unclaimed. I'm going to set up my here. You have to go to the store close and then you have to click on claim. Then your passes will be showed here. You can see all my passes will be are showed here. So I hope you find this video helpful guys. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.